Welcome to the YouTube channel of Internship Wala Career. There is no question that programming is a hot career right now and will be for years to come. As we entered in a new decade, everyone is excited. Actually, not everyone. Future programmers like you guys are excited to know the market trend of programming languages and eager to know which programming language you should learn to land on a job in year 2021. So, hello everyone. I am Bhanu from Internship Wala. We are an online platform which provides internship, trainings, and help you out in completing your college projects. And today we will dig deeper to find out which programming language you should learn in 2021. So let's find out. After going through many online surveys by developers all around the world and India of course, we listed out top 5 programming languages. And on number 1 we have Python. For people just starting out with computer science in 2021, and even for those with some experience with this language offers an intuitive and easy to learn syntax that makes it popular choice among beginners and professionals alike. The beauty of Python is that it is extremely versatile as it can be used almost everywhere. According to the 2020 Stack Overflow survey, Python is the second most preferred language in the world. The job market for Python developers is vast in India and worldwide. On second place, we have Java. Java is another immensely popular programming language, which is one of the oldest languages out there, but still highly in demand. It is widely used in Android development, which is one of the reasons Java is still in demand. Due to Java's scalability, strong memory allocation, and high performance, companies like Amazon, Twitter, Adobe are still using it. Yes, it is PHP. Despite the huge popularity that languages like Python and JavaScript have garnered in backend development, PHP is still going strong and continues to be used by larger companies, including Facebook, Yahoo, and Wikipedia. You will not believe that PHP powers almost 80% of the web. There remains huge demand for PHP developers in the market. On number 4, we have JavaScript. The most popular language for web development is none other than JavaScript. While JavaScript is go-to language for front-end development, it is also being used for server-side or back-end development with the introduction of frameworks like Node.js. Websites that you regularly visit such as Google, YouTube, and Wikipedia all were created using JavaScript. Go. Many of you haven't heard of this language. It is also known as Golang. It is developed by Google in the year of 2007 for APIs and web applications. Owing to the simplicity of the language, modern structure, syntax familiarity, it is created to meet the needs of programmers working on large projects. Google, of course, and few other startups such as Uber, Twitch, Dropbox have opted for Go. The language is currently one of the most widely used languages in Silicon Valley. The fact that Go is one of the languages to learn in 2021 comes as no surprise. These are the top 5 languages we find out to be learned in 2021. So, if you guys are interested in learning any of these, check out the links down below in the description. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, just click the like button below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. You should do it. I will see you guys in the next one.